Good day. Our topic today is profit and loss. And when we want to talk about profit and loss, we also talk about selling and buying things. Okay, so when we talk about profit, it also means gain. In profit and loss, we have what we call cost price and what we call selling price. Now, the cost price is the amount you bought a particular goods, while the selling price is the amount you sell that goods to someone. Now, when your cost price is lower or is lesser than your selling price, you make profit, you make gain. But when your cost price is higher than your selling price, you make loss. Let me take an example. This is a marker. I bought this marker at the rate of 15 naira and I'm selling it to you at the rate of 70 naira. So, do we make a profit or a loss there? It should be a profit because my cost price was lower than the selling price. But in a situation whereby I bought this marker for 100 naira and I'm selling it to you at the rate of 60 naira, maybe because it has been with me for a long time or because I just needed money, then that is a loss because the price at which I bought the marker is higher than the price I sold it to you. Now let's look at a question here. Yeah, find the profits made on a bag if the cost price is 620 naira and was sold for 960. Now we have to find the profits made on a bag. If the cost price is 620 naira, that means this is the price at which you bought the bag and you sold it and was sold for 960 naira. Now to find the profit, this is the calculation. You say to get the profit is selling price minus cost price. So that will give you the profit. So now, what's our selling price here? Our selling price is the amount you sell the goods, and that is 960 naira minus what's the cost price? The cost price is the amount you bought the goods, which is 620 naira. So it's 0 minus 0 here. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. So our profit is 340 naira. And that's the profit made selling this bag. Now we are going to calculate the loss of a particular commodity. This is example 2. Sunday bought a roll of Maggi for 3,200 naira and sold it to his friend at 2,800 naira. Find the profit or loss. Now we have a question here. Tunde bought a roll of Maggi for 3,200 naira and sold it to his friend at 2,800 naira. Find the profit or loss. Now the first thing is to determine if this is a profit or a loss. Looking at this question, you need to get out what's the selling price and what's the cost price. Now the cost price here, how much did he got the Maggi? 3,200. That's the cost price. So you can write that out. Cost price is what? 3,200. And then he sold it. What's the selling price? The selling price is 2,800. And you remember the other time I said, whenever your cost price is higher than your selling price, it is a loss. So here you already know that because the selling price is lower than the cost price, then you have what? A loss. Now, you need to know how much loss have you made, as Tunde made. What you need to do here is to subtract the cost price from the selling price. So here you have 0, 0, 2 minus 8 is not possible. You borrow 1 from there, making 12. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. Here you are left with 2. 2 minus 2 is nothing. So he made a loss of 400 naira. This is a loss because your selling price is lower, is lesser than your cost price.